Yamwache yamwakwa Badom TV Badwam dwumadie eso yede nyame asese nebnen so okan atiasefo no menumie no ode ya ka ho bie dwumadie se Badwam ene ya hyase yede dwum adi kan no de adu so no eye Badwam kase nsam ne do so ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini Ghana de hia wo de osika kwoto osika kra bia wi akire aban de nsa ato so no wo mo stress aban sika no hwe na fa wo made ma wo mo yede ho nsam ne nkire mu so ebebro Apomuden adwuma yefo ya won so apomuden atosini ti wo mu hia moa no ene ya make say the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association won di sika komasafo eso won jemfa hwe apomuden eno ne nsem bi ena no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 or YouTube search Adom TV 2 mede de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se de nsam ni nchemu ankasa etie Ghana de shebia won mo ekra won musika wosika kra bia wi akire aban de nsa to so no won srese ni manimi ya na ban no hwe na sa sika ne de won ma won sanka eno akire so GN Bank and Gold Coast for or de to won monim wonya ne on betumi bia se de be ya sika no won sa betumi aka ebi ni Adom TV kase akasa
wa se de Dr. Adom aye nyina no odas one na mabonten enam abanbone a ye wono ne dwumadi a wandi ne yie e wo financial clean up exercise ne mu no e na de aba bedu sam pempensu sika Gold Coast for audit free Gold Coast customers for wono or the kokoto and I say or the share aban improve to dwuma mu e de ma contractors mom de ye improve to dwuma e wo Ghana ha afa ye otese aban ni ba betua ye ka no wadan hu dwabro ne agure girem se aban ni fiscal de ma no na ono no e ma betua in Gold Coast customers ka ye gina we so catch Ghana man nyina say e ma obia enya so ntie Dr. Indum adentina Dr. Indum when ye humobro ama the customers na omuwo enye ska omu peska to aduro atena sase so na ohwema wo mu wuye sa na otwemienu ye de ama ni say Dr. Indum say ose o mama meka hwe ye ne yemfa ne kokot nemo ye besia no de kokono druwo say enu 30th of June and as a busumi e wo mu ni de twato na say aban no entua ye said ye waka ne na Gold Coast Fund Management customers ye beka ya no aboa say ye funu ba komba over 61,000 customers across the nation na ye
Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association ne won disika 175,000 akoma one more members and 9 year one more kran ha na won kasa mu no sika no de ama one more office nipa nan won mapomuden ho nsam aba from Adom TV kase etwaso
ene ye eda sonko eda ede enije bebre abre nurses binom abrabom se de bia ye no ene abrewa yi puma kwan mu ma ye yisika 175,000 Ghana cedis etete sika no 1.75 billion I dey support your members are omakwa unhihie mu on grounds of health na se de bia ye no ye ka Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association ye wo ho ema ye members a free 1962 association ba in existence ya koso a support your members a be see ene
Dr. Dina Akute ene ye panyini a woda pharmacy no e o Madina Polyclinic wodin sambi etudwa
yeda GRNMA 4 ase wo adoya o mabeye ama ye nurses staff ba kun boa ebra wako ahohiahia mu nia ye be kan se omunkoso adwuma pa na omoye no omunkoso anenye en mesan yusu akwanye yusu so asre ye nurses for afoforo nyina a wo mu Adom association no na omunko join se ne be ya nyame mfasa mba bibisa etuoma omo ebenya nsakese anabatan kese kuosei na wetumi abegina omachi
Naja Suleiman na nanisu adware no e wo bra wo je muwei efri kuo ne hodom eda wonom ase se wonom aye na sa adoye
and my colleagues and seniors are very grateful for taking out your time to come. God bless you.
My entwa kasiano so na yankwa yansan foforo mu Now, organizers are one more day hands off our hotels demonstration. Ebano, one of my central phone share more a day. I to just send Nyamia Dumo. While you no shall see our Labadi Beach Hotel, now the Akupiemo, our Jubilee House, Nigana say a yes, net hotels are Hudua. A beto just say Ura Brian a champon, a Gieno, one more Penisone, Anachna, Adom TV, etwaso.
Central for Inshemu ase ena ekua. One atu wondin say hands off Senate hotels one kire say obi biara waye na adwene say obeto Senate hotels ahodo ewo omanga na mu no woyi won say emfiri wo yede omanim enabo Samuel Okujeto ablakọ no na woye mrase bedwani ede mamanfo mo no som na wode nsam atudwa no kire say demonstration na won babaye ochena no ade a woni posifo akasa na afenso so wona wo mu nyina no so woni makasa ochena sa oye kire no ebetimi ede abaso Samuel Okujeto ene central for see
leadership omunyana say omo eba. It is also important to stress groups like Ghana Action Network, Arise Ghana, and various organized labor representatives omunyana say omoba and ye landlords United Gadangbe Caucus, the Gamashi Council, and La Youth Associations. Nananoma omo in crime. Omunyana omo se omo tayechi omo pese oyechrewe ebaso na omo so ebesoma omo representatives na omo aba oyechre no. The year can say yes Senate hotels aye Labadi Beach Hotel, La Palm Royal, Ridge Royal, Elmina Beach, Buzia Beach, Trust Lodge, hotels we nyina no aye ton ama Honorable Bra Champon, the Minister for Food and Agriculture. Ye kase ye pese President Akufo-Addo on funding 9 and 2 form. We are demanding say this transaction should be aborted.
And wachi ena eye trade union congress for ena fenso so emrasebedwa for ahodo bia wonso so wode wo hu ebeka adwumadie no ena wonso wo kire se wo stress sane se aye adwumaye for dachi nintino obia emra no mfa ne ho embehye eye demonstration mu
no fe no ye jeme ni eyawi ojogban eji hotels ni won ake dade kotopon bi e wo kehye o chichi ni je wo kehye o chichi pe she eha wo bi e ni ji wo bi wo nyeme hinke wo nyeme ye anuchumo na me ho amenchu ni kote hotels ne ni ameke hotels ni na chu ana no ko ye jeme fe amaleni.
We are talking about accessibility. Once it is privatized, we realize that the people of La and its environs will have difficulty accessing it, because I am calling on everybody to rise to this occasion and to make a loud statement.
So this is a national call, and for us it's exciting that our MPs are leading this. Let's look at it and look at how is it that every now and again we have issues with SNIT. Ghana for Momi and Sorry Waka, not just our hotels, all those lands that are being sold, please.
Our workers of this kind.
Adom TV Badwam kase na ocean na school for best 9019 and I one more year University of Education I war in 15 months more one more graduation as since some who do course no efutu Adom TV edebe.
Educational institutions like ours have a pivotal role to play in nurturing a culture of environmental stewardship. I urge our students and faculty to lead by example in their communities. Through rigorous research and innovative teaching, we are committed to producing graduates who are not only academically proficient, but also deeply conscious of their environmental responsibilities.
Vice Chancellor of the University of Education, Winnie Bano, and so the two additional for the one additional baby in any say.
Dear graduates, let me emphasize an essential point. The foundation of a modern career is networking. Build your social capital, engage with people, and form meaningful connections. This is not only vital for career building, but also life building. Additionally, harness your God-given talents. Identify what you excel at and seize opportunity to monetize these skills. Remember, the greatest success often comes from mastering one's talents.
Ensu yiri ya akoso asinfo su ene ne mpotamo wo bra nsu oto no yade a enya wo hawo e wo adehye wo ekuro no so afrase nsu oto yiri ye no eniema hodo na seseye emuhyiafo bi wo ha ba bia no mbeda mu odin won ahyen akwan tempo hodo dodo no anso e hadwene ya de wo hawo abeja won mo so Adom TV kase abokire etwaso
Senya media shaman sasa membra na mimbe lead Asin Central and the me kakri kura no etre tinu meka say do December 7th we no MPP NDC nyina yenhwe yen to aba ne no bia munim se for the manner obejini mu na waye adwuma no my year for a long time and some eba be parliamentary candidate na me parliamentary candidate so me continue aye mo ye me MP still me continue aye
Asin Central MPP Gwemtini owura atakura me yampon ekire se obekọ so ara etiti tinsukam amensu yiri anu abrase wa asinfosu
ne atime se dem kai pa ni se yewra for po time wo yade bi wo station ho eboai no ho ayefi ono ankasa de praye bebregu ne kam be see station and wo yi ba ko no start ye no obra etu obi edu ho no bo na wo pre no ma so mu mo pra no ko yi praye fofo afa ye ni ba ho so no mo so obi o twam bi ye adwuma ni bi a shall say free nipa back so etienne a shall say free we go for the Indiana wuso a nyama no ntrenko ye 50 million portable so who say bibi e kwacho ba bi afu no obi anya ya wo start say wo da obi be ba abeso
Alfred Amodi amane boyi ifra sinfosu ene bradum kase
Ifi South abato mpesi asoma ndisi amanyoko wa afumantemu ne wode to oman posi anim wose woni die mu a se wadwuma ye mu titiu se ye boa ye ho akoto aba no won hwese prepre ye ne kwaridie ebe ye adwuma
ani watime wakame a eba ho no ye begyae ne ho aye bo enu nti no twetue no menuanom etuo hoi ye de honwra nipa ye tutuo e de paasomdwie enti ema eho ye huye ye dimrika ko bo process amane me ne wo kasa besi samrei process nya ho hwe menuanom se ye tramamu na se ye pepepe yo na etie kuo baako Ghana mra tie kuo baako na kuo baako de Ghana mra entia no a sana je se mo kire bibi o e kira me hu se dura bato so a ndc for ye nya hufo ndc for ye nya ma na mu asomdwe nti me gira mu no masra Ghana process for so madaruma omunyina we so o kan ma babia wo bia ye nche no na emfa ne mfa mre kwa so sana e be ya ye koto aba we ma anya sa omdi sia ye betwa ye nyama me kan sisu bio si ye nyama na asomdwe nti enne ya go ye ho saa
Mayanto Adom TV Badwam kase no so na joso St Anthony Parish Priest eye Roman so sorry no so for penny Reverend Father Stephen Asante Bako odi afutuo na ema mema se mema ye nya afie adwuma ni nyina nguma no so na mo won so emfa wo hunyimu bi lentume mu Adom TV etwaso
enti yesra mema nyina se dwumadi anyamedi ahye ensa se mema no bema bia nyere no ho na won so no dwumadiem se eja na yenyere ye ho nya dwumaden na yemfa enhwe yema titiro to da bia obahwe no ye wo a na eja nkwada no abo ye maame no nkoa so na ema ye maame no fa atete ene oyamu
anu akire no ebra wonum ewie enuane no ano na ompanifo a wonum eka hwe ye nyina ka hwe ye no na Reverend Asante Bako edi atodwa se kwafo ekuo na wobo wo homodene ewo enuane no anumu
ene ye hwe se ene de kwafo no ebo wo homoden na wo mojolofo no ede esom nipa bebre so enti na abosobode ne de ye de abokoefo no emum obia wodi dwumadie bi no ye ma omo ye da omo ase
ye enam so ema George fo a wonom so kan aduane no ehwe ye bi editu dwa se da bi eye men's ana mema ekuo a ewo asafo no mu no wonom ene bo wo ho modene aduane no ano emu odiska kokko koju
Mayento akase no sokra dia na emebunu emayua ya womo junior ne senior high school a wono wo tempane eya upper east mantam no mu no sanitary parts ahodo no yache ediama wo Adom TV etwasui
the government to reduce or remove tax completely from sanitary products because these are everyday items that women and girls need, and then most especially in deprived areas they are not able to afford the sanitary products, especially the disposable ones, because of the cost. So we are only pleading that there could be a reduction or a total take off of the tax upon it. Well, Blessed Care Organization is also calling on other NGOs or individuals who can support the organization to further help us reach more lives by donating to the NGO in kind or in cash. You can bring us the product, support the less privileged people.
Philip Frederick Alele Eye, acting GS director Ewa Tempane Obo Ejumeku Yabaso, so the sanitary parts Yababema and Mayano.
By providing these essential sanitary products, we have not only contributed to their health and well-being, but also to their education and empowerment. And so your thoughtful donation ensures that our girls can now attend school with confidence and dignity without the worry and stigma that sometimes accompany this natural part of their lives.
And na Maya Bia wasaka sanitary parts ni bini amani boni chuchenko.
We are much grateful to them because being in school is not easy getting these things. Like our parents do, sometimes they do complain about getting these like money for us to buy. So we are much grateful to them for giving us. May Almighty Allah bless them.
Nowadays they have increased the sanitary pads, the price of it, and then we are praying and then we are pleading the government to reduce the taxes on it so that we can able to afford.
We are pleading with
no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pay ye de asia se da no ye odia emrani adaje no o kode a erade mfa nkomra sumdue mu ne mo be koso na yatna wo Facebook/Adom TV extra ana ba bia wonam bia no a YouTube Adom TV 2 wo benya ye kwa ba bes ma mienu de obon krata na online stories aka no ye to so